And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 14. Already shown you in the last video the center align, so we can select elements and then use these two options for vertical and horizontal align, and that puts it in the center of my artboard. But that is only true because we've got the function for that set like this. So there are two more ways to align it relatively, and you can find that function at the top right next to it. But let me first add some guides here. You can see this is the center of the artboard, and therefore all of these elements are centered there. But right here, where it says align to artboard, when you hover over it, there are two more options. There are align to selection and align to key object. Let me select these two, and now we use align to selection. And this also repositions my guides, but you can see this is not the center of the artboard anymore. This is now the center of what we had selected. Let me go to View, Guides, and I clear them. And I press Ctrl R. This blends in and out my rulers. I select these two elements on the right, align to selection, center it. So whenever you do that, it takes the center of your selection, and you can actually see that because the selection box, this bounding box, has nodes as well. So this would be another relative that you can set. The third one is for key object, and this is only active when you have multiple objects selected on your artboard. For example 2, you can see that now, but if only one is selected, this is grayed out and you can't use it. How does it work? When you select more than one element, then activate it. And now you can left click on these elements again. So within your selection, you can left click on each, and this will give it kind of like another blue outline. And this just indicates that it's the key object now. And you can now use these alignment options, for example, for center align, and then put the other objects or the other single object which is selected into the center of this key object. Let me do it once more. I distribute these ones, select them all, then I left click on the bluish, the red one, black one, they get this blue outline. I keep it to black, I use the center, and now blue and red will be aligned to the center of the black element. So these are the three relatives that you can pick. By default, it's aligned to artboard, and if you don't use a different align here, a different relative align, I'm going to specifically mention that. So for the most part, you should be good with align to artboard to center your elements in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.